Nothing spruces up the front of your house or gives it more curb appeal than painting the front door. I'm with Jenna Myers, Merchandise Manager for Paint, and we're talking about just that, painting the front door.
Yes, hi Evan. The front door is a great place to add style to your home. And these Modern Masters front door paints provide customers an inexpensive way to make a mark on their home's personality.
Now, what makes Modern Masters paint different from all the other paints I could use on my front door?
These paints feature a quick dry formula in a satin finish that allows the customer to paint and close the door in the same day. It also has never fade technology that ensures the color is just as vibrant as the first day it was painted.
Now, the front door is kind of the first thing my guests really notice as they walk to the front of my house. What if I'm not very good at painting and I'm not very confident about this project?
Modern Masters offers step-by-step instructions that tell you which sections of the door to paint first and how to paint them properly. So it makes it relatively easy for anyone to complete the job. It's also not necessary to remove any of the hardware, and surface prep is minimal. So in 2 coats of paint and a few hours dry time, anybody can have a fresh new look to the front of their house.
All right, you're talking me into it. Sounds like I could do it. Great looking colors. How many are available?
We have the top 12 colors available in the RSCs. The product is available in 24 colors that are carefully selected using color trends and home design from around the world.
All right, so now I start to break out in a sweat a little bit when I think about picking this paint color. Any help for me there?
Yes, they have a great tool. Modern Masters offers a free app that's available in the App Store that customers can download, snap a picture of the front of their home, and then cycle through the color options to see what they like best. It's a great way to give customers confidence in their choice of color, since choosing color can sometimes be difficult.
It can be difficult.